Hey, I've got to tell you something that hit me the first week I lived with LSX2. If you're the kind of listener who notices when sound feels unfinished, where mids are there but the life behind them is missing, then LSX2 is exactly what your room has been quietly asking for. Before you tune out to compare specs, go check the current price and stock. This is one of those upgrades that moves fast when people actually hear what premium wireless hi-fi feels like. There was a moment for me, sitting on the couch after swapping in these speakers, where I realized my old setup was just getting by. Music had volume, but not presence. Dialogue in movies had clarity, but not texture. I knew I had outgrown compromise, even if I didn't say it out loud. Switching to LSX2 brought what I call confidence in sound. It's not just louder or clearer, it's deeper, richer, more alive. It fills the room without ever feeling loud. You feel grounded listening to a low piano note or a subtle breath in a vocal track. Once you feel this level of performance, everything else feels thin. Imagine Sunday mornings with jazz that sounds like a live set in your space. Think about movies where soundtracks don't fight each other, they flow. Imagine gaming where footsteps and ambience aren't just audible but felt, without blasting your ears. Real-life scenes played with real emotional weight. Because when the low end is true and the highs are delicate, your ears relax. You stop nudging the volume up or down. You just enjoy it. Here's something that surprised me: the wireless connection never hiccups. Never. I moved between playlists, podcasts, movies, all without a skip. It's the kind of reliability you only notice when it never fails. You feel like you finally belong in the room with your sound. You hear detail you never knew was missing. You stop apologizing for audio quality. You choose to listen, not just play. You feel proud of your setup, genuinely. They're not tiny, and they're not the cheapest option out there. And once you hear this caliber of fidelity, going back feels hollow. At some point you just choose the thing you already wanted, the sound that matches the way you experience media. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you kick down the road and regret later. Check availability now, make that decision with confidence, and finally live in the sound you deserve.